Hello guys, I'm excited once again to meet you on this episode of our Mastery Guitar Tutorials. I'm your facilitator as always, Mr. Kel. If you've not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button, comment, like, and then share. Now, if you've not watched our previous video that has to do with the introduction, kindly go back and then watch, because this episode is a continuation of what we learned the last time. So for today's tutorials, what we are going to learn is what we call the dexterity exercises, what others call the fingering exercises. Okay, so actually what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to familiarize our fingers with the fretboard. Like we learned the other time, you know what the fretboard is, you know our fingers. So first of all, we want to talk about the fingers. I want to make it very quick. So for this finger, it's called the index finger. This is your middle finger. This is your ring finger, and this is your small finger. So we are basically going to use these fingers. And remember, this is your thumb finger. Okay, so as we begin, what you are going to do is we are going to position these 4 fingers on the first 4 frets of the guitar. The first 4 frets of the guitar. So this is what we are going to do. So you look closely on what I'm going to do here. You position your fingers on the first 4 frets. So as you can see, just like I did, you position your fingers very closely. Then now, you place your thumb at the back of the guitar just to be something like a clip, okay, to hold it firmly. Now after this, we are first going to start with the first string. We all know that there are 6 strings on the guitar. We said the first string is this particular one, the tiniest one. Then we have the second string, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So we are going to start with the first string of the guitar. So we are going to take the tiniest one. So you are going to position your fingers on the first 4. Now, this is what I want you to remember. When you are doing this, remember to use the tips of your finger. Remember to use the tips of your finger. And then secondly, you remember to target the position which is closer to the fret, because the further you are away from that, what happens is that you have that buzzy sound, and this is not what we are targeting. We want a clean sound. So this is what I'm talking about. So you realize that when my fingers are far away from the fret and I play, you get a sound like this. No, this is not what you want. We want a clean sound like this. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so let's start with our dexterity exercises or our fingering exercise. So we are going to start with the first one. So you start this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now what we are going to do is that we are going to play forward and then we move backwards. Okay, so let's try that one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. So basically, this is what I'm doing. I hope you get this one. Then now we are going to extend it upwards, and then we are going to bring it down. Okay, so just like we did for the first string and then the 4 frets, we are going to do it for the second string, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and then the sixth, and we are going to bring it down. I hope this is clear. So let's try that too. Go to the second I hope you got it. If I'm running too fast, you can just slow your video, or you can just try as much as possible to pause it and then get it. Basically all what we are doing is we just moved up and down. And there is also another way. This is the last one that I'm going to teach you. What you are going to do is that we are going to move along the fretboard. Okay, So we are going to start from the first fret and then we move up, down to, let's say, the 12th fret. Now there are other types. This is what I'm going to end with. Now you can play between your fingers. So this is what I mean. Instead of the 1 2 3 4, you can do 1 3 2 4, something like this. Okay, so you can try other things. Just basically what we are trying to do is that we are trying to make our fingers familiarize with our fretboard. If you enjoyed this video, kindly remember to subscribe, to comment, to share, so that others would also have the opportunity to learn this. Thank you very much, and meet you in our next episode of Mastery Guitar Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.